Come on, boy. Yeah, we getting ready to go out. But this how dark it be. Every morning we get up to go out. We'll wait for it to get light. But it's raining today, so we ain't gonna do too much. You know, everybody getting up going to work this morning. Yeah, the kids getting ready to go. It's the best time to be up and out. Early in the morning, ain't that right, y'all? You can't even see them, it's so dark. But they right here. They stay with me. Ain't that right, boy? Come on, girl. Go, boy. Go, girl. We'll post up later on. Y'all be safe.